Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip for you. I have this project of a sheet metal part, and when I review my engineering drawing, you'll see all of the dimensions we want to control. And I have a lot of GD&T on this drawing. And you'll see in my project, I already have inserted most of the GD&T. The only dimension that remains is the surface profile. And if I wanted a surface profile only to that one plane, then that's easy. Just create a plane with a surface profile. But this callout is calling out between points G and point H, which includes two planes and a cylinder. So I can't have one single plane represent that entire series of faces. So in PolyWorks Inspector, I'll navigate to my features. And this interface may look a little different depending on which version of PolyWorks you're using. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I'll navigate to the Home tab, and then there's a Surface button. Now, the unfortunate part about surfaces is when I look at the creation method, there's no pick on CAD model. Instead, that's replaced with from reference elements. So I need to enter my select elements tool and select the desired faces that are associated with that surface profile. And when I press create, you'll now see I have one surface representing that series of faces. The same workflow can apply to more organic shapes like mouses as well. But once finished, I'll close my tool. You'll now see I have a surface in my tree. And within my geometry controls, I could add a surface profile with respect to A, B, and C. So that's how I can make a surface feature in PolyWorks. Thank you for watching.